gentlemen, welcome to Vancouver. There has been a time change. The correct local time is 9:16 p.m. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your baggage stowed until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Smoking is not permitted anywhere on board. If you do require assistance to planing here in Vancouver, such as having requested a wheelchair, we ask that you please remain at your seat. We will be with you as soon as the aisle is free. And for your safety, please be sure to open overhead bins carefully, as items may have shifted during landing. Also, please remember to take all of your personal belongings with you, including any portable electronic devices that you may have used throughout the flight. The use of cellular phones is now permitted, and if you do have a connecting flight, I do have some gate information for you. Flight 8079 to Victoria will be departing from gate C28. Flight 230 to Calgary will be departing from gate C27. Flight 8083 to Victoria will be departing out of gate C30. Flight 8424 to Kelowna will be departing from gate C32. And Flight 8211 to Prince George will be departing from gate C31. If there are any flights that I haven't mentioned, kindly check with one of our gate agents who will meet in the aircraft here in Vancouver upon arrival, or check with the computer screens once you're inside the terminal building. On behalf of your captain and crew, I'd like to thank you for flying with Air Canada, a member of the Star Alliance. It's certainly been a pleasure having you on board this evening. We hope you've had a pleasant flight, and we look forward to seeing you again. Once again, welcome to Vancouver. Have a wonderful Saturday night.
Mesdames et messieurs, bienvenue à Vancouver, heure locale 21h18. Pour votre sécurité, restez assis, gardez votre ceinture bouclée et vos bagages rangés jusqu'à ce que la consigne de ceinture soit éteinte. Il est attendu de fumer. Si vous avez besoin d'aide, veuillez rester assis. Nous viendrons vous voir dès que le couloir sera dégagé. Pour votre sécurité, nous vous rappelons de faire attention en ouvrant les coffres, car les articles sont à se déplacer pendant l'atterrissage. Veuillez vous assurer de prendre tous vos effets personnels, notamment vos appareils électroniques portatifs. L'utilisation de téléphone cellulaire est maintenant permise. Si vous avez un verre de correspondance ici à Vancouver, nous vous demandons de consulter les écrans ou de vous adresser à un de nos collègues dans l'aérogare. De la part de tout l'équipage aujourd'hui, nous espérons que votre vol a été agréable et souhaitons vous voir bientôt. Encore une fois, merci à tous et bonne soirée.
Ugh.